Hello, today I'm going to show you this weird, funny, interesting video where, like during last night's Britain's Got Talent semi-final, Simon Cowell's making funny noises inside his microphone, and Nat and Dec were like, Simon, stop. I'm just going to show you it. It's just weird, it's short. Yeah, I'm going to turn it up to 100%. There we are, okay.
So I think there's definitely space for you guys to work doing what you do. And it's never easy starting the show. You came out with the great energy, and for that I applaud you, so well done. Well done.
This is doing Romeo and Icy's voting, there's Amanda.
I have to say that yes, you've upped your game, but for me this still wasn't at the
Did you hear that?
that I was hoping for. I think, you know, this is Britain's Got Talent, and we could go on all day about what brilliant characters you are and what great personalities you have. But
Simon, I would just hear what they're going to say to the guys, please. Thank you.
Yes, we tell them to stop.
That's
Oh,
not
sorry,
what
yeah.
we're not looking for just that.
Yes, that's just about it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.